Hi, we are starting our next project. Tom is starting it. He's going to put my shelves up here that go in between the cabinets. I like being able to have some open shelves in my kitchen. We're using this 1x12 pine, and we've got 4 shelves that are going to go up here. I have a specialty shelf that's going to go on the top about 6 to 7 inches from the ceiling for my mugs. And then the rest are going to be spaced out to just be able to handle whatever I need to handle. And I'm really excited. We have a water-based polyurethane that goes on nicely. It's very low odor, so we like having this type when we're working in the house. And it's nice because you can put on several layers in a couple of hours and they dry quickly. This is the same stuff that we used on our other countertop last week, and it was amazing. It didn't stink up the whole house, so we're ready to go.
The shelves are all done. They're sealed, and I took some of this 1x2 furring strip that we picked up at the lumber store and cut them down to length, and I made these nice little brackets that we're going to use to support the shelf onto the sides of the cabinets and to the wall behind them underneath. These are all pre-drilled and countersunk, and we're going to connect these to the cabinets with an 1 1/4 screw. And we're going to connect them to the studs through the sheetrock with a 2 1/2 screw. And that should give us some good solid support for these shelves. We're going to go ahead and get these installed now.
shelves. We got all 4 up. We've got my mugs up on top. I love having a spot for all of them that's not on my windowsill. I'm probably going to keep some of my smaller appliances on these shelves so they can be handy and I don't have to clutter up my counter. I'm really excited and I think they turned out really well. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Thank you for watching.